moving on, remember, Tata Consumer will report its Q4 numbers today. Mangalam joins in to tell us what is it the street is anticipating from Tata Consumer this time around.
Well, good revenue growth is what the street is anticipating this time around, and that's baked in the way the stock has performed this month so far as well. Among the better performing FMCG stocks, which is up 12% this month, not particularly cheap at 55 times, but then again, you're reporting a 16.5% revenue growth as the street is expecting. That should be in the price. A large part of that would of course be led by price hikes that the company has taken, particularly in the tea and salt portfolio, and the other part of revenue growth would be led by inorganic growth scaling up as well from Capital Foods and Organic India as well. Price hikes in tea would actually lag the inflation that we've seen, and which is what will impact their margins too. So the EBITDA is likely to fall by 5% despite a 16.5% jump in their revenues, which implies that the margins would come off by 300 basis points at around 13% versus 16%. The net profit would, on an exceptional base, see a rise of 41%. So the absolute number of 305 crores is more important to look at rather than the relative number itself. What are the expectations in India? Beverage business likely to see a 10 to 11% growth led by 5 to 7% price hikes in tea. Foods likely to see 11 to 12% growth led by hikes in salt portfolio. Capital Foods and Organic India, basically, which is the Fab India Organic Food and Ching's portfolio, likely to do about 350 to 400 crores in terms of revenues this time around. Nourishco will be something that, according to me, will make or break this quarter's results. 8 to 10% revenue growth is expected there. It is a summer-strong portfolio. How that portfolio does for the company going forward would set the tone for what Tata Consumer looks like in the next 1 year or so as well.
All eyes on Tata Consumer's numbers, mostly likely to be reported after market hours in today's trading session. Of course, there are a lot of other broader market names too that will be reporting results, be it the likes of LTA, Mindtree, Bajaj Housing Finance, Canfin Homes, Dalmia Bharat. So plenty of earnings to watch out for in the second half of the day, and of course towards later in the evening as well. Take a short break. More on the markets on the other side. Stay tuned.